Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is Saturday, February 11th, and I'm actually recreating the outfits that I wore for the past week for the most part, just because I just do not have time to film each day. And I actually have some extra time today. My daughter is back at college, my husband's working, and it's a Saturday, and I got great lighting. So I figured, why not? Why not film a video? I don't have anything to show you yet. I should be getting a Trendsend today, but the mail has not come yet, and it probably won't come until about 4 in the afternoon, and by then I lost my light. All right, so what am I wearing today and what am I doing? So today I am wearing a sweater by Stitches and Stripes that I've got from either directly from Ever Eve or Trendsend about a year or two ago. This is a thick, warm sweater, as you can see, in a tan color with black, gray, and white chevron style stripes. I paired it with a pair of White House Black Market jeans that I got last year, I think. That have like these pork chop style pockets, and my Dolce Vita Castor waterproof booties. Why did I choose this outfit today? Today is Sunday, the week before I'm filming this, and we took my daughter back to college. There might have been still some snow on the ground back there. I needed comfortable shoes. We were moving her up and down stairs. These are pretty comfortable with the rubber soles. Plus, if it was any slow or slush, they are waterproof. And that is my outfit for today. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna swap on and show you Monday's outfit. Hi everyone, it is Monday and I'm back at my office, which is at home. So in case you don't know, I work from home and I seldom leave the house, but dressing up is important to me, or at least looking nice. Not necessarily wearing my formal business attire. That's all packed up on the top shelf of my closet. But I still like to look nice and put together. It just makes me feel good. So today's outfit. I am wearing a Loft green sweater that I recently purchased. So it is still online if you're interested in it. And it has a nice V-neck. This is a 100% cotton sweater. And I paired it with a pair of Sanctuary kick flare pants that I got from a Stitch Fix. If you're interested in these are a newer style, so they're out there still now. I believe Bloomingdale's might also carry them. I think that's where I might have seen them, or is it maybe Nordstrom? I can't remember. They're in a dark green and not real dark, but green and black check on them. And I am wearing them with my Franco Sordo heeled mules / loafers. So they're loafer mules that I got directly from Stitch Fix. They're actually very comfortable. And yeah, this is what I wore today and my outfit from home. That is it, and take care and see you tomorrow for the next outfit that I wore. Hi everyone, I've got Tuesday's outfit on now. So this is a loft striped top in navy and an off-white. And look at it, it has these cute little cuffs on it. These cuffs are sewn and it's like turquoise and orange. Laura from Little Box of Happy got this sweater, and for some reason I missed it. It's a loft sweater. I missed it when I was buying my loft haul. I'm like, I want that one. So yeah, this is the sweater that I wore on Tuesday, and I paired them with these loft jeans that have the patch pockets in front, and my navy blue booties from, who are these? Probably Mark Fisher, I guess. Yes, Mark Fisher. Pretty much all my booties are Mark Fisher. I have to say he's probably my favorite shoe designer for the winter. And that is my outfit for Tuesday. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for the next day of styling my outfit. Wednesday's outfit is an identical loft sweater from the one I wore to Tuesday, except a different color. This is an orange rib style sweater. I'll take off the jacket in just a minute, but I wanted you to see the full outfit. And with it, I have paired this moto jacket in navy. I think I've showed you this outfit before. This came from my Front Door Fashion. With it, I have paired on a pair of White House Black Market cargo jeans. In case you don't know, cargo loose-fitting jeans are going to be all the rage this spring. I like them. I think they're very comfortable. I like this kind of pork chop or different kind of pocket. You can actually put your hands in these. So I would recommend these. They, again, were White House Black Market, and I did have to size up in these, and I did have to, I believe, Did I go to a petite? No, this is a regular size too. They don't have as much stretch as some of their other jeans. They have the seaming all the way down front, and they have pockets here. I much prefer the cargo pockets here versus up here on my hips. I don't think that's a very flattering look for me. I kept on the same navy blue booties because I believe that's what goes best with this. I'll take the jacket off so you can see the sweater and how this one is. It's exactly like the white one except in orange. It's ribbed, and it has a cuff here on the sleeve. I'll come closer so you can see the ribbing. And yeah, it's a nice, soft, comfortable sweater, perfect from wearing from home. And I look put together, but very casual. All right, Thursdays I actually was able to film in advance, so I'm gonna jump right to Friday. Give me a minute. Hi everyone, so today is Thursday, and it's the first time I'm actually coming to you to show you what my outfit is. As I think I mentioned in last week's video, it is just very hard for me to come on here during working hours and in sunlight, which is the best time for me to show. So I'm going to do this all out of order, and I will put this in order for you. So today's outfit is very unusual and different for me. So this dress, it's like a denim jumper, I guess you would call it, but I always wore it as a sundress, like with nothing underneath, and a pair of espadrilles. And I don't know what caused me to think about it. I guess it was just sitting there in my closet and I was looking at it. And I said, why can't I wear this in the winter? So I pulled out this brown turtleneck that is kind of like a stretchy material, like a polyester knit, that I got from, who did I get this from? JB Style Box, when I used to do the boxes. It's a turtleneck, or maybe even considered a mock neck, or probably a turtleneck. It's pretty high. And it's, form-fitting, which goes great underneath this. And this is the dress is from White House Black Market, probably about 4 years ago. And I have it on with my brown over-the-knee boots that I got from Stitch Fix. And that is my outfit for today. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Cannot wait. I will show you my outfit then. Okay, this is Friday's outfit. Friday is always a busy day for me. So as many of you know, I get up early to go to the gym, typically 5 a.m. I have been sleeping a little bit later and doing the 6 a.m. at sometimes, but typically I still like to stick to 5 a.m. And Friday is one of my 5 a.m. days. I go at 5 a.m., come home, take a quick shower, get dressed, and go over to my nutritionist, who does a weigh-in and a body scan and reviews what I've eaten for the week and tweaks my macronutrient count based on any gains or losses, or gives me moral support when I go a little off track. Okay, and then after that, I go straight to food shopping, and I do my food shopping, and then I come home all before 8 a.m. So Friday's my busy day, and then from 8 o'clock on, I'm at my desk job doing my work until about 5 o'clock. So that was my Friday day. Now you're like, enough about what your lifestyle is, Carolyn. What's your outfit? So the top is from White House Black Market. It's just a long sleeve white tee. I'll take the jacket off in a minute. That has like olive and it's white on a white background. And with it, I have paired these sailor jeans. Both of these should be still available at White House Black Market. The jeans also now do come in a gray wash if you're interested in gray. The boots are my funky Steve Madden booties from years ago. They're kind of like a military inspired with all the buckles, but a big clunky heel. One thing I want to point out about these jeans, unlike the cargo jeans where I had to size up, these I had to size down. So beware, these are extremely stretchy and forgiving, and I would recommend sizing down. And if you're taller, these probably will not work for you. I'm 5'2", and this is my regular size, and I would not particularly want to go any shorter, or not much shorter, let's just put it that way. All right, with it I have paired this Ichi blazer, which I got from a Front Door Fashion. I like this blazer because it's a knit material, extremely comfortable, but I look, I think, pretty put together with this. All right, let me take the jacket off so you can see the top from White House Black Market. It's a 3/4 sleeves, little puff sleeve, crew neck. Yeah, and I like this. I think this is a cute, comfortable, soft, put together outfit. And that is my outfit for Friday. Stay tuned for Saturday, which is today. Hi everyone, Saturday, last video for this week. And I'm sorry to say it is the most disappointing outfit. Why? Well, because today, as usual, I got up to go to the gym. It's a later class today, 7 a.m. with my husband, just because it's Saturday and he actually had to go to work and I am home alone today, which is good for filming and doing other things I need to do. So I came back from the gym, and before I even showered, I meal prepped all my peppers and potatoes for the week. So that's what I did then. And then I showered and I ran over to the post office to send my daughter a Valentine's Day gift. Now what am I doing? I'm going to be filming today. I have to clean the basement, which is not very exciting, thus I don't want to look too nice. And editing, and maybe if I have time, reading a book. So here is my outfit for today. I am wearing a Rails sweatshirt. It has like a terry knit on the inside, so it is not thick at all. I believe it's 100% cotton. I've had this for quite a while. I got it from Evereve years ago when it went on sale. Paired with it, I have a pair of, they call these skinny, but because they have some extra room here at the calves, I consider them like a slim straight. Pair of jeans from Level 99 that I received from Poshmark. So yeah, they're like 20 bucks. And I really like the cute little racing stripe. They're like in a blue-gray wash. And with it, I have paired a really beat up pair of white sneakers by Adidas. I'm hoping to replace these soon and toss these. These are pretty shot. So that is my outfit for today, to be hanging around the house, filming, editing, and cleaning my basement. Oh, one other thing I might do is I might look into booking a vacation. And that is it. And take care, and see you next week for another week of styling outfits.